everybody, I've got a Crockpot recipe for you today. This is Crockpot garlic Parmesan chicken pasta. It's actually been quite popular this year. It may have even been from last year, I'm not sure, but we're going to make it today. First thing you need to do is spray your Crockpot a little bit with some cooking spray and go ahead and put 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts in there. These are tenderloins that are cut real thin, and it's really actually about 3 pounds of those. So I may have put just a teeny bit too much, but we're going to just go with it. Then after that, you're going to pour this sauce over the top of it. And I just got the generic. So you pour that over the chicken. Okay, and so the recipe states to empty your wing sauce onto the chicken, and then take a cup of milk and put it inside the bottle. Shake it really, really well so you can get all that out. Pour that over everything. Okay. And then you're going to add a whole brick, so 8 ounces of cream cheese to that. And then you're going to add about 4 ounces, and I'm not really sure how much is in here, so I'm just going to go with it, of Parmesan cheese. This was a container of like 13 ounces, no, 10 ounces. So I'm going to pour about almost all of it. So about 4 ounces of Parm. And the recipe says to stir before you continue on, but I'm just going to leave it here for a little while, let it cook a little bit, and then I'm going to stir it. You need to cook it on low for 3 to 4 hours, or on high for 2 to 3. And then at the end, you're going to add some pasta, some just cooked pasta. And it should be a good dinner by the end of the day. Okay, y'all, this is the end of the day. I've already cooked up my penne and put it in there. So it's soaked up some of the sauce. I did use this. This is the penne that I used. It was a 1 pound box. Probably wouldn't do the whole box next time, you know, so I'd have a little bit extra sauce. But it'll be fine this time, this go around. It is a little bit spicy, and I would suggest you adding salt and pepper to it. Okay, see you next time.